Hi everyone, welcome back to Noun as an update. Today I want to show you how you can change your password, your student password. I will show you the two ways in which you can change your student password. Firstly, um, the first one which you're supposed to know is from login portal. Where if you not log into your student portal, you could not be able to log in, but you want to change your student password. One thing I'll let you know that is very important. Please note that without your student email, you can't change your you can't change your password. Either e-learning, portal, student portal, CWL and all sorts. You must have your student email active before you can change your student password. So let's say for instance you have your matric number here, you put your password or your password you do not remember your password again. You can click on this reset password. Once you click on this reset password, it will send a code to your student email. And from that student email, you could be able to get a link and a code and put it there to change your password. So the second and easiest way is also maybe you've already logged in. Let's say you already logged into your portal like this. Yes, it is your portal. You already logged into your portal like this, but you want to change your password. You sense that somebody is logging in without your notice and you want to change your password, just come log into your portal. As you log in like this, what you need to do, you just come to registry. Click on registry, it will load up and show something like this. What you just need to do, you just click on this change password, this place. Once you click on change password, you show something like this. Put the old password. You should remember that old password, put it here. The new password, because you just log in, the new password that you want to change, put it there and put it there. Click on submit. It will send a code to your student email again. Go and copy that code, put it there and submit. Automatically your student um login password will be changed and to the new one. So very easy. Just go ahead and do it and you'll be able to change it successfully. Thank you for staying to the end of this video and always help us to share, like and comment. Also subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye.